When facing technological change, some people fall behind in their careers while others leap right ahead. Where do you stand? And how can you stack the odds to land on the winning side? The answer lies in building career capital, which makes you indispensable in any industry. Hi, I'm Angela from GrowthGarden. In this video, we'll learn what career capital is and how you can build it with 3 critical skills that protect your career, make you indispensable, and help you to stay ahead no matter how fast markets or technologies evolve. These tips and insights come from more than 20 years of navigating changes in my career and business and learning from global leaders whom I've worked or studied with. By the end of this video, you know how these skills can help you to get ahead and how to start developing them today. Over the last 40 plus years, I've witnessed the shift from typewriters to computers, from pagers to smartphones, and the rise of the internet and digital economy, and now the explosion of AI. Every wave of change comes faster and hits harder. Given how fast everything is moving, can we actually master skills that stay relevant in the future? The answer is yes. It all comes down to building career capital. Carl Newport introduced me to this concept in his book, So Good They Can't Ignore You. Career capital is what makes you valuable in the workplace and gives you the leverage to stand out in any industry. It involves 2 types of currency: professional currency and relationship currency. Professional currency demonstrates what you can achieve. You earn it by performing above expectations, demonstrating a wide range of skills, and handling complex tasks. This is where hard skills like data analysis, digital marketing, or project management usually come in. But such skills can get outdated and expire. Technologies and work requirements also evolve. Before you know it, the same skills that made you valuable 5 years ago may no longer be enough. To stay ahead, you also need relationship currency. However, this is what most people overlook. You earn relationship currency by connecting with others, building trust, and influencing the people around you. And to do that, you need soft skills like emotional intelligence, teamwork, and leadership. These skills decide how strong your professional relationships are and whether people want to work with you. The secret to staying relevant in any job market is to grow both your professional and relationship currencies. Together, they give you the foundation to adapt and stay valuable regardless of future changes. So, how do you go about growing and investing your career capital? There are actually 3 essential skills that you need. Let's dive right in. The first skill is digital and technological literacy. No matter what's your profession, we all use digital tools like Zoom, Slack, or AI chatbots. But have you ever thought about how technology can more creatively improve or add value to your work? Take 3D printed food, for example. Did you know that it's already making its way into Michelin-star kitchens? Top chefs are using this technology to push the boundaries of what's possible in their craft. Technological literacy means knowing how to use digital tools and technology effectively to achieve more in your work. It starts with a mindset shift to see innovations as opportunities, not threats. When you take this perspective, you are no longer just trying to keep up. Instead, you become curious and maybe even excited about how new technologies work and what they can do for you. To explore a new technology, start by asking some good questions. Let's use AI as an example. Ask yourself, how can AI help me to achieve faster or better results? First, how can it help you to free up your time? For example, in customer service, AI chatbots can handle recurring inquiries, freeing you up to focus on complex cases. If you are in sales, AI can analyze data to personalize your pitches, helping you to close the deals faster. Or if you're an entrepreneur like me, AI can help you to speed up your market research. Second, how can AI help you to achieve new things that you previously couldn't do? Maybe now you can use AI-driven design software to create detailed 3D prototypes to bring your ideas to life more quickly. These are just 2 possibilities to explore. You can actually apply this thinking to any technology or tool that's shaking up your industry. But don't just stop at thinking or researching. You can only turn potential into advantage if you actually use the tools. Because hands-on experience beats theory any day. A great way to do this is by launching a mini project that you can complete within a few weeks or months. Let's say you work in marketing. You could experiment with an AI tool to create and test 5 personalized email campaigns to see if and how it works. At the end of the project, review what you have learned. From there, you can deepen or widen your project, test another application, or explore a different tool. By doing this for a few weeks or months, you'll know how this tool works, how it fits into your workflow, and if it adds value. Regardless of the outcome, you'll have gained valuable real-world insights. You are no longer relying on other people's opinion about the new technology. So explore, test, refine, then repeat the cycle to keep learning and adapting. The more you practice this skill, the more you can take advantage of new tools and trends instead of feeling threatened by them. You can push the boundaries in your work, stand out from the crowd, and propel yourself forward in your career. In our other video, we go deeper into how you can use projects to build valuable skills. Remember, the greater your technological literacy, the stronger your professional currency. Next, let's look at growing your relationship currency. And that's where the second skill comes in, emotional intelligence. Take a moment to think about the people you enjoy working with or the people you admire the most in your field. What makes them stand out in your mind? Chances are it's not because of how smart they are or how strong their technical skills are. It's the way they make you feel. Maybe they always seem to know just the right things to say or do when things get tough. Or perhaps they make everyone around them feel so valued and understood. And that's the power of emotional intelligence. It's about how well you connect with others, manage your emotions, and understand other people's emotions. But hang on, you might be thinking, aren't AI tools already replacing some human interactions? What if machines can outdo humans in emotional intelligence as well? Well, AI may be getting better at mimicking human interactions, but there is a limit to what it can do. Imagine you just had a very terrible day at work. A colleague notices your stress, offers a listening ear, and you talk it out over a cup of coffee. You walk away feeling understood and supported, and that is something that a machine cannot do. Or when team morale is low, you bring people together and rally them behind a renewed sense of purpose. A bot can help you to write a great speech, but it cannot touch and inspire people the same way. And that is where you can shine. Ultimately, human beings are social animals. We need human connections, like the warmth of someone's heartfelt appreciation, the confidence that comes from knowing that others trust in you and count on you, and the sense that someone really gets you and has your back. All these are things that machines cannot replicate. And that's where emotional intelligence, or EQ, makes a huge difference. It boils down to two key aspects: managing your own emotions, which is your internal EQ, and understanding and handling other people's emotions, which is your external EQ. Emotional intelligence can be a complex topic with many sub-skills involved, but for now, if you can do just one thing to start improving your EQ, what will it be? Try this simple challenge. At the start of each day, ask yourself, what can I do today to brighten someone else's day? The goal is very simple. You just want to brighten one single interaction daily so that you and the other person both walk away feeling better than before you met. It could be as small as making eye contact and acknowledging the serving staff by name, or taking a moment to sincerely affirm a colleague's contribution. In my business reading graphics, I learned the value of scheduling one-on-one meetings where team members can talk about any personal or professional challenge. We also started one-on-one conversations with our customers to understand their needs and to get to know them as human beings. And that turned out to be surprisingly rewarding. So make a deliberate effort to positively touch someone's day every day. Then reflect on what you've learned from the encounter. If you do this consistently, you'll be amazed at how much your emotional intelligence can grow in just a few months. If you'd like to dive deeper into the topic of EQ, check out our other video where we expand on different aspects of this very important skill. So far, we've covered digital literacy to build your professional currency, as well as your emotional intelligence to boost your relationship currency. But in a fast-moving world, we need to keep adapting and updating our skills, which is why we need a third skill that grows both currencies and helps us to stay relevant more effortlessly. And that's lifelong learning and adaptability. Lifelong learning skills serve as multipliers for everything you've learned so far. They help you to stay relevant as things change without having to start from scratch. Here are 3 practical ways to keep your skills and knowledge updated and relevant. First, look for lateral applications. Basically, that means that you don't always have to learn new skills each time new trends emerge. Instead, think about how you can apply what you already know in new ways. Let's say you are a teacher who's great at simplifying complex concepts and in engaging students. You can apply your existing teaching skills to create engaging lessons and content for online learning in schools. Or you can even apply those skills laterally to e-learning platforms for corporate training and development. You're still using your teaching skills, but adapting them in a new setting. Second, try building micro skills, which are smaller, more targeted abilities that can be learned quickly and applied to specific tasks. For example, data analytics is a growing field, but you don't have to become a full-fledged data scientist to participate in it. You can focus on specific areas like interpreting Google Analytics reports. This way, you can become more valuable in your role without committing to a whole new profession. Using the mini projects that we discussed earlier, you can keep learning and adding new bite-sized skills to your toolkit. Finally, use networking to expand your circle and gain new perspectives. Join online communities that focus on emerging trends, or even connect with experts in adjacent fields. For example, if you are in HR, connect with people in data analytics to understand how those developments can affect your domain. Of course, lifelong learning and adaptability is always easier when you have a growth mindset. That is, you are open to new challenges and are willing to learn from both successes and failures. You can learn more about the growth mindset in our other video. So now you know the 3 essential skills that will help to future-proof your career and how you can start to take action today to be in a better position no matter what happens in the future. These will keep you up to date with the tools and trends, help you to thrive in an area that machines cannot replicate, and help you to evolve as markets and technologies continue to change. So, what challenges or trends are you seeing in your career? Share your thoughts below and let's explore how these skills can help you. In the description, I've also included links to the related videos, as well as the Read in Graphics book summaries that inspired many of these tips. Remember to subscribe for more insights, and I'll see you in the next video.